Hey there everyone, welcome to another video of how to socials. In this real quick video I will show you how to send or share Facebook Messenger contacts to another person on Facebook or Messenger. So let's get started real quick. Alright, so for that you just need to go to your Messenger app and then select the person you just need to just want to share. Like I want to share this person profile, so I will tap on that person, and here is our chat. So on the top right corner you will see I button. Just need to tap on the I button and scroll it down until you see the option called share contact. Just tap on the share contact. Now send it to the person you just want to share this person contact to. Like I want to send to this person. Just tap on the send button and that's pretty much it. If I go to that person I sent it to, and here you can see I have sent it a profile card to the person I want to share the profile with. So there's a very simple and easy way to send a contact or share contacts on Messenger. So I hope this video helps you out. If yes, please do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.